Welcome to Miami University. This video is to introduce Miami University's Student Counseling Service. We welcome international students to contact the Student Counseling Service for various mental health concerns. We are here to assist international students in developing and maintaining healthy personal, emotional, and psychological functioning so that you can have a successful and happy life here at Miami University. The Student Counseling Service offers international students various brief counseling services. The specific services we provide include initial consultation appointments, short-term individual counseling, emergency or crisis services, consultation, group counseling, workshops, outreach programming, referral services, or couples counseling. The Student Counseling Service provides clinical services to at least 11% of the student body for the past several years, compared to 3.9% in 1997 to 1998. About 40% of all students use the student counseling services at some time while at Miami University. International students might not know that in the US, counseling adopts the wellness model rather than the medical illness model. We do not view mental health issues merely as diseases. Rather, counseling provides the professional service to help you improve yourself. There is this incorrect stigma that counseling is only for quote-unquote crazy people. But people in the US actually seek counseling for various common concerns we all could experience at some point, such as homesickness, academic difficulties, culture shock, adjustment difficulties, stress, relationship issues, or self-improvement. If you are assigned to have individual counseling at Student Counseling Services, a therapist will contact you to meet one-on-one regularly. Individual counseling usually occurs weekly or bi-weekly for 4 or less sessions on average. Student Counseling Services may provide emergency appointments. From 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., there are emergency time slots for students in immediate need, and students can typically be seen that day or the next day. After hours, there's an on-call service that you can call 24 hours called the Hope Line at 855-249-5649. For an immediate and life-threatening psychological crisis, please call 911, Miami Police, or go to the nearest emergency room provided. Student Counseling Services also has skill-building workshops for international students. One example is resiliency workshops, which are 1-hour sessions to help you manage anxiety, find ways to maintain a sense of happiness, learn how to identify bodily signs of stress, and learn ways to bounce back from adversity, to name a few. Student Counseling Services also offers group counseling. This is when students with a common concern meet with one counselor as a group. Sometimes in a group there are 2 therapists as group leaders. Students are usually referred by their initial counselor, but can come and request a group if there is a specific one they know about. Examples of common groups at Student Counseling Services include intercultural connection, graduate student support, women in relationships, grief and loss, and understanding self and others. According to research, group counseling could be more effective than individual counseling for some interpersonally related concerns. Student counseling often works with different campus offices to offer student outreach presentations about a variety of topics upon request. Some examples of outreach programs include culture shock and adjustment, eating disorder, self-harm, and suicide prevention. Working closely with the Office of Community Standards, Student Counseling Service provides substance use assessment and treatment for students who have violations of alcohol and/or other drugs. Student Counseling Service also provides initial ADHD screening and treatment. We can help refer students with potential ADHD to Student Health Services for medication care if appropriate. However, we do not provide psychoeducational testing for attention problems. We can provide external referral information to students who need official ADHD testing and diagnosis for disability and/or other documentation purposes. Student Counseling Services can provide consultation to students, parents, professors, and other campus offices regarding some specific issues to better help certain students. By laws, your counseling with Student Counseling Services is confidential. Student Counseling Services cannot reveal your counseling information without your permission in general. Student Counseling Services does not talk to your professor, other university offices, or your friends and family. Your counseling record at Student Counseling Services is not part of your academic record. There are some exceptions and limitations to confidentiality. The therapist will usually explain the details to you in your first meeting. Feel free to discuss with your therapist if you have any questions or concerns regarding this. The Student Counseling Service is proud of our professional staff of licensed psychologists, social workers, and professional counselors. We are also an accredited training program for doctoral level trainees. We celebrate a wide range of staff diversity in ethnic identity, age, gender, and training. All Student Counseling Services staff are licensed or supervised by licensed behavioral health professionals. Workshop and group therapy sessions are always free. The initial consultation appointment and the first 3 individual appointments are also free. Additional individual appointments carry a $25 fee per session charged to the student's bursar office directly as a health service fee. Student counseling does not bill insurance. Fee reduction and fee waivers are available for students with financial difficulties or privacy concerns. No student is denied for our services due to inability to pay. Dr. Fred Shah at the Student Counseling Service is a licensed psychologist. He can provide counseling services in Mandarin Chinese. Dr. Fred has developed several international student support programs and groups, including Intercultural Connection and Chinese-speaking student support group, that cover topics such as cultural shock, cultural adjustment, how to communicate with your advisors and professors in the U.S., and how to interact with your American classmates and roommates, etc. You can call Student Counseling Services at 513-529-4634 if you are interested in joining these programs and/or groups. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to this video about Student Counseling Services, and welcome to Miami.